Please prepare 7 years old and below novice committee boys. Winner, Lang Crystal from GKS Philippines. For the final match, please prepare Faculna Rain from LSDKC, APA, and versus Lang Crystal from GKS Philippines, AO.
7 years old and below, novice committee boys, listen. Autentico Felix III from UBS SKI JKS Tagbilaran, your ACA, versus Ochia Hector from AOK Hunbu, your AO. Prepare Bandico Nash Tyler Dwayne from Dungkay JKH, your AO. Kabudbud Von Paulo from AOK Hunbu, your ACA, versus Book Khalil Francis from Danao City Karate do Club, your AO. Prepare Villanueva Chris Xavier from AAK Cebu, your AO. Melenchon Brent Julian from AOK Shito Rio Cebu, your ACA, versus Umpad Nathaniel Amir from AOK Hunbu, your AO. Prepare Natinga Charles Ellis from JKS Philippines, your AO. Next, we have the Pio Diego from AOK Hunbu, your ACA, versus Laguda Yanis Jai from Danao City Karate do Club, your AO. Prepare Bazaar Axel H from Warriors Karate Team. I repeat, 7 years old and below, novice committee boys. We have Autentico Felix III from UBS SKI JKS Tagbilaran, your ACA, versus Ochia Hector from AOK Hunbu, your AO. Prepare Bandico Nash Tyler Dwayne from Dungkay JKH, your AO. Kabudbud Von Paulo from AOK Hunbu, your ACA, versus Buok Khalil Francis from Danao City Karate do Club, your AO. Prepare Villanueva Chris Xavier from AAK Cebu, your AO. Melenchon Brent Julian from AOK Shito Rio Cebu, your ACA, versus Umpad Nathaniel Amir from AOK Hunbu. Prepare Natinga Charles Ellis from JKS Philippines, your AO. Pio Diego from AOK Hunbu, your ACA, versus Laguda Yanis Jai from Danao City Karate do Club, your AO. Bazaar Axel H from Warriors Karate Team, your ACA. On the mat, we have Faculna Rain, ACA, versus Lang Cristel, AO. Lang Cristel, please proceed to Tatayuan for the final bout. All 7 years old and below boys committee, please proceed to Tatami 1. I repeat, all 7 years old and below boys committee, please proceed to Tatami 1.
Jeff.
Come on!
this match. We will proceed to 7 years old and below committee boys. Coaches, please assist your players here in Tatami 1. Winner, Lan Cristel Hope. Your goal. Silver, Facunla Rain. Bronze, Hernandez Heather and Kalumba Amara. Next bout, we have the 7-year-old and below boys committee. Authentico Felix III, please raise your hand. From UBSSK and JKS Tagbilaran. After this bout, please prepare Kabunbun Von Paulo from AOK Humbo versus Buok Khalil Francis from the Now City Karate Do Clubs.
Please prepare Kabunbun Von Paulo, Aka, and Buo Khalil Francis out. Kabunbun Von Paulo, please stand in the Aka corner. Buo Khalil, please stand in the out corner. Election Grant, Aka, and Umpan Nathaniel out.
The next bout is for Ibanez versus Bidame for the championship game. 12 to 13 years old advanced kata boys.
Next bout, we have Kabutbut Von Paulo from AOK Humbo versus Buok Khalil Francis from the Now City Karate Do Clubs.
The next match is 18 years old and above advanced kata boys, calling Pitogo Emerson Shai.
Requesting all coaches, dito po lahat. Lahat ng coaches. Requesting all coaches.
Running time. Pag nagyamay ng last 15 seconds, that's the only time na stop time ka. Go!
Call Buo Khalil Francis from Danao City. Please proceed. After this match, please prepare Melanchon Brent Julian from AUK Shitorio Cebu versus Umpad Nathaniel Amir from AUK Humbo. Melanchon.
Judges, referee. Referees, judges.
Umpad Nathaniel Amir. Umpad Nathaniel Amir. Please raise your hand. Umpad. Next, we have Melanchon Brent Julian from AOK Shitorio Cebu versus Umpad Nathaniel Amir from AOK Humbo. After this match, please prepare DPU Diego from AOK Humbo versus Laguda Yanis Jai from Danao City Karate Do Club.
Autentico. Club, ACA, and Villanueva Chris Javier from AAK Cebu. Please prepare on tatami 1. Please prepare Buo Khalil Francis from Danao City Karate Do Team, ACA, and Villanueva Chris Javier from AAK Cebu. Please prepare. Buo and Villanueva. Please prepare Melenchon Brent Julian from AOK Shitoryu Cebu, ACA, versus Natina Charles Kilis from GKS Philippines. Please prepare on tatami 1. Inner Buo Khalil. Melenchon, please raise your hand. And Athena Charles. Next match, DPU from AOK Hunbong, ACA versus Bazaar Axel Ace from Warriors Karate Team, AUS. Please prepare. Next bout, DPO from AOK Hongo Aka versus Bazaar Axel Ace from Warriors Karate Team out. Winner, Melension Brent Julian from AOK Shitori Cebu. Next match, Authentico Felix from JKS Tagbilaran City versus Bull Candil from the Now City Karate Youth Club out. Please proceed on Tatami 1.
Yan yung 52. Ito yung atay.
Please prepare for the next match, Authentico Felix III, Aka versus Bull Khalil out. Please proceed on Tatami 1. Winner, DPO Diego from AOK Honbo. Please proceed on top of me 1, Authentico Felix III from UBSS EIGKS Tagbilaran City versus Book Khalil. Out. Please prepare for the next bout, Melension Brent from AOK Shitori Club, Aka versus DPO Diego from AOK Honbo. Out. Please prepare and proceed to Tatami 1. Please prepare 8 to 9 years old novice committee girls. Midani Rain Yuri, USJR KC Aka versus Colleen Kenzie Marie from AAK Cebu out. Winner, Abo Khalil Francis from Danao City Karate Do Club. Next batch, Melension Brent Aka versus DPO Diego from AOK Honbo out.
Hey!
please prepare Bull Khalil Aka versus the PU Diego Au. This is for the final match. Please prepare 8 to 9 years old novice committee girls. Madali Rain Yuri from USJR KC Aka versus Colin Kenzie Marie AAK Cebu Au.
Calling the 12 to 15 years old advanced Team Kata female. The Kiken and the USBSSK of Tagbilaran City calling also the 12 to 15 years old novice Team Kata female. AUK Humbo, Nanadire, Warriors Karate Team calling Warriors Karate Team, Team Kata, novice team, female.
Gold, DPU Diego from AUK Hunbo. Silver, Bull Khalil from Danao City Karate Club. Bronze, Authentico Felix III and Melension Brand. Please proceed to Tatami 1, 8 to 9 years old novice committee girls. Madali Rain Yurius JRKC Aka versus Colin Kenzie Marie from AAK Cebu Au.
Last call for Warriors Karate Team. Team Kata, 12 to 15 years old. Ow. Last and final call. Warriors Karate Team. 12 to 15 years old, novice Team Kata. Last call.
Next bout, please prepare Baposmo Atira Bree from Warriors Karate Team Aka versus Stan Suzanne Dol from GKS Philippines CB Au. Please prepare. And please prepare Diaz Marie Matilde from Espiritu Martial Arts Aka versus Marino Julia Elizabeth from JKS Philippines Au. Please proceed to Tatami 1. out. Please proceed to tatami 1. Please prepare Glorious Gwen Zyril from GKS Living Tobigon Aka versus Lawas Azaina Yinji from the Now City Karate Do Club out. Diaz Marie Matilde from Isquerido Martial Arts, please raise your hand. Diaz Marie. Marino Julia Elizabeth from GKS Philippines. Moreno Julia Elizabeth from GKS Philippines. Winner Marino Julia Elizabeth from GKS Philippines. Please proceed. Flores Gwen Zyril GKS UB Tobigon. Aka versus Lawas Azaina Yenji from the Now City Karate Do Club out. Flores, please raise your hand. Lawas, please raise your hand. Please prepare Sundo Lian Maris from Warriors Karate Team versus Incluna Queen Lovely Isquerido Martial Arts out. Please prepare Kulin Genzi from USJRKC Aka versus Velia Crucis Altea from Isquerido Martial Arts out. Please proceed to tatami 1. Please prepare Sundo Lia Maris from Warriors Karate Team Aka. Winner, Flores Green Zyril from JKS CV Tobigon. Winner, Sundo Lian Maris from Warriors Karate Team. Please proceed, Colleen Kenzie from USJRKC, AAKC Bull, versus Villacrucis Altea Isquerido Martial Arts out. Please prepare Bacosmo Atira Breeze from Warriors Karate Team Aka versus Rama Sendihes from the Now City Karate Do Club out.
Okay, Connie USJR Team Kata Female. Male po. USJR Team Kata Male.
Winner, Colleen Kenzie from AAK Cebu. Next, Bacosmo Atira from Warriors Karate Team versus Rama Sandy Hayes from Danao City Karate Do Club. Ow.
Parang nag-play yung papel niya.
Novice Committee, 12 to 13, boys and girls. Staging area now. Last call for 12 to 13, Novice Committee. Boys and girls, staging area now. Thank you.
Please prepare Moreno Julia from JKS Philippines Aka versus Bong Hanoy Adika Sage from Warriors Karate Team Ow. Please proceed to Tatami 1. Winner out, Rama Sandy Hayes. Please raise your hand, Moreno Julia versus Bong Hanoy Adika Sage from Warriors Karate Team. Please prepare Paloma Maria Athena from AOK Hunbo Aka versus Castro Aubrey Angeli from KSA GTS Cebu Aw. Please proceed to Tatami 1. Winner, Bong Hanoy Anika Sage from Warriors Karate Team. Next, Paloma Maria Athena from AOK Humbo Aka versus Castro Aubrey Angeli from KSA GTS Cebu Aw.
12 to 13, Novice Committee. Boys and girls,